Welcome to the heart of the African wilderness, where a spectacle of nature unfolds like no other. The Great Wildebeest Migration. In this captivating journey, we'll embark on an adventure through the Savannah of Mara and Arusha regions in the Tanzania ecosystem, witnessing one of the most astounding wildlife events on the planet. As the dry season arrives, more than 1.5 million wildebeests, accompanied by hundreds of thousands of zebras and other antelope species, set off on their epic quest. Their annual migration spans over 1,800 miles, encompassing the vast plains of Tanzania and the Maasai Mara in Kenya. This inspiring journey is filled with treacherous obstacles. The wildebeest must navigate crocodile-infested rivers, withstand attacks from lions, cheetahs, and hyenas, and endure the unforgiving elements of the African savanna. Only the fittest will survive this challenging pilgrimage. Amidst the struggle for survival, the Great Migration is a vivid representation of the circle of life. Witnessing the birth of thousands of wildebeest calves is a poignant reminder of nature's enduring cycle, as they provide a feast for predators and scavengers, ensuring the ecosystem's balance. One of the most gripping moments of this journey is the dramatic river crossing. Watch in amazement as thousands of wildebeest gather on the banks of the Mara River, hesitating before they plunge into the treacherous waters. The anticipation is palpable as crocodiles lurk beneath the surface, ready to strike. Over several months, the wildebeest continue their relentless trek, driven by the instinctual pursuit of fresh grazing grounds and water sources. Their perseverance in the face of adversity showcases the remarkable resilience of these majestic creatures. As our journey through the Great Wildebeest Migration comes to a close, we stand in wonder of this magnificent spectacle. The enduring journey of these resilient animals reminds us of the delicate balance of nature and the profound interconnectedness of all living beings. If you found this adventure through the Great Wildebeest Migration captivating, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with fellow nature enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking encounters with the wonders of the natural world.